Welcome to Kargil-Ladakh. In this video we will try to show the natural beauty of Kargil-Ladakh. Kargil-Ladakh is located north region of India. As you know that the natural beauty of Himalaya regions are famous all over the world. It's a fact that in the way of Kargil-Ladakh, the tourists get excited with the impressive sight. In the season of summer, the tourists come across the world. Ladakh is the land of high passes. Snow-capped peaks, clear blue sky, barren mountains with the meandering rivers.
Ladakh is the land of peace because the people of this region doesn't like to have any political, communal and social conflict.
Dras, the second coldest inhabited place in the world.
It's around 50 odd kilometers from Kargil. The most interesting thing that I've noticed here is that it's very different from the picture that I had in mind. Look at this beautiful valley. This actually looks like paradise. And the Dras and the Kargil that I had in mind, it was very different. It was more of those Hollywood movies wherein which you see all these war-torn places, right? Ruins, godforsaken places. Absolute opposite. This is like blessed. This is a blessed place. People have been good. My experience in Kargil have been just the opposite of what I was expecting. Awesome food, good people, and they've got very beautiful eyes, be it a man or a woman. Green, blue eyes are not much of a luxury here. It's pretty common here. And people have been very good.